Let's learn some essential shortcuts in Blender. First, we're going to be navigating in the 3D viewport. You can press Ctrl and middle mouse button or scroll wheel to zoom the scene, Shift middle mouse button to pan view, and then you can hold middle mouse button and drag to rotate your view. There are three main transformations in Blender, which is location, rotation, and scale. G is to move object, R is to rotate, and S is to scale. And you would want to press either of these keys followed by X, Y, Z to rotate, move, or scale along one axis. For example, if you press R, then you press X, then you will be rotating only on the X axis. Or you can press your G or R or S and then followed by Shift, X, Y, or Z to exclude that axis in the transformation. A is to select all objects in the scene, including lights, empties, and other kind of objects. Shift D is to duplicate. H is to hide selected objects. Alt H is to unhide all the objects. And Ctrl J is to join selected objects. And on the view, we have some useful buttons on our numpad. Number 1 is for front view. Number 3 is right view. Number 7 is top view. 0 is camera view, Control 1 is back view, Control 3 is left view, and Control 7 is for bottom view. And then for switching between modes, you can press tab to go to edit mode and then press tab again to go back to the object mode. And since this is a very beginner course, I assume that you will only need to switch back and forth between object and edit mode. And now once you're in edit mode, you can press number 1, 2, or 3 on your normal keyboard, not the numpad, to switch between vertex, edge, and face selection respectively. And again, you can press G, R, or S to transform your selection. Press 2 to go to edge selection mode, and then you can select parallel edges by clicking Alt, Control, and left mouse button. Control B to bevel the edge, and then scroll to select the number of bevel faces. Select loop edges by clicking Shift, Alt, and left mouse button. Then we can press 3 to activate face selection, press E to extrude, press I to insert a new face, and you can also press Ctrl, Alt, left mouse button to select loop faces, just like we did in edge selection mode. Alright, I think that's all from me. I hope it helps and see you on the next video.